The Gospel of John is like a beautiful portrait of Jesus. It captures his essence, his love, and his divine nature in a way that is both profound and accessible. John, one of Jesus' closest friends, wanted to share who Jesus really is. He wanted everyone to see Jesus and understand God's love for them. Through his writings, John paints a vivid picture of Jesus as the Son of God, the one who reveals the Father's heart. He doesn't just tell us about Jesus, he invites us to experience him. John, one of Jesus' closest friends, wanted to share who Jesus really is. He had walked with Jesus, talked with him, and witnessed his miracles firsthand. John knew that Jesus was more than just a teacher or a prophet. He was the living embodiment of God's love and grace. He wanted everyone to see Jesus and understand God's love for them. John wrote his gospel so that people from all walks of life could come to know Jesus personally. He wanted to break down barriers and show that God's love is for everyone, regardless of their background or circumstances. In this book, we discover Jesus as the Son of God, the one who reveals the Father's heart. John shows us that Jesus is the light of the world, the one who brings hope and salvation. Through his words and actions, Jesus reveals the true nature of God, a God who is loving, compassionate, and just. John wants to share the good news. He wants everyone to know that Jesus came to bring life, and life more abundantly. This is not just a historical account, it's a message of hope and redemption that is still relevant today. Jesus came to save us. He came to offer forgiveness and a new beginning. No matter what we've done or where we've been, Jesus' love is always available to us. He reaches out to us with open arms, ready to welcome us into a relationship with God. He offers forgiveness and a relationship with God. This is the heart of John's message, that through Jesus, we can experience the fullness of God's love and grace. It's an invitation to a transformed life, one filled with purpose and meaning. Through stories and teachings, John helps us experience Jesus in a personal way. He invites us to walk with Jesus, to listen to his words, and to see his miracles. By doing so, we can come to know Jesus not just as a historical figure, but as a living presence in our lives today. Jesus said, "I came that they may have life, and have it abundantly." He wasn't just talking about a longer life on earth, he was talking about a different kind of life. This life is eternal, a gift from God through believing in Jesus. It starts now and continues forever. Jesus wants us to experience joy, peace, and purpose. He wants to fill our lives with meaning. John tells us that God is love, and Jesus showed us what love looks like. He loved the outcast, the sick, and the sinner. He even loved those who rejected him. Jesus said, "Love one another, as I have loved you." He calls us to love others in the same way, with compassion, forgiveness, and sacrifice. This is how we share God's love with the world. Section 4. Walking in the Light. In this section, we explore the profound meaning of walking in the light, a concept that has inspired countless individuals throughout history. Jesus called himself the light of the world. This declaration was not just a metaphor, but a powerful statement of his mission and purpose. He came to illuminate the path for humanity, offering a beacon of hope and a source of divine wisdom. He came to shine his light into the darkness of our world, into our confusion and fears. In times of uncertainty and despair, his light serves as a guiding force, helping us navigate through life's challenges and find our way. He offers us truth, guidance, and hope. The light of Jesus is a source of clarity and direction, illuminating the scriptures and revealing the path we should follow. It is a light that dispels the shadows of doubt and brings peace to our hearts. When we follow Jesus, we walk in his light. This journey is one of transformation and renewal, where we leave behind the darkness of our past and step into a future filled with promise and purpose. We begin to see things more clearly. The light of Jesus brings a new perspective, allowing us to understand the world and our place in it with greater clarity. It lifts the fog of confusion and reveals the beauty and truth of God's creation. We understand God's plan for our lives. Through prayer and study, we connect with the divine and gain insight into our purpose. The light of Jesus illuminates our path, showing us the way to live in accordance with God's will. His light guides our steps and fills us with hope for the future. It is a constant presence, a reminder that we are never alone. With Jesus as our light, we can face the future with confidence and trust in his divine plan. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Section 5. Your journey with Jesus starts now. The Gospel of John is an invitation to know Jesus. It's more than just words on a page, it's a living, breathing testament to the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. As you delve into its chapters, you'll find stories of miracles, parables, and profound teachings that reveal the heart of God. It's a chance to discover the love, life, and light he offers. Jesus speaks of a love that transcends all understanding, a life that is abundant and full, and a light that shines in the darkest places. Each verse is a step closer to understanding his immense love for you. As you read, ask God to open your heart and mind to his truth. Let the words resonate within you, and allow the Holy Spirit to guide your understanding. This is not just an intellectual exercise, but a spiritual journey that transforms your heart and mind. Take time to reflect on what you read. Journaling your thoughts and prayers can be a powerful way to process and internalize the messages. Write down the verses that speak to you, the questions that arise, and the insights you gain. Talk to God about your questions and doubts. He is not afraid of your uncertainties and welcomes your honest conversations. Prayer is a dialogue, a two-way communication where you can pour out your heart and listen for his guidance. He promises to meet you as you seek him. In your quiet moments of prayer and reflection, you will find his presence comforting and reassuring. His promises are true, and his love is unwavering. Your journey of faith is just beginning, and it's going to be amazing. Embrace each step with an open heart, knowing that Jesus walks with you every moment. This journey is a lifelong adventure filled with growth, discovery, and deepening your relationship with God.